Recently, I ran into an issue where my Galaxy S25 Ultra was shut down during a restart and it just got stuck on a black screen. No matter what I tried, it just wouldn't turn back on. So in this video, I'll walk you through all the steps I took to finally get my Galaxy S25 Ultra to turn on working again. Now, I don't know your case, but if your S25 is drained for a long time, and if you've already tried to press and hold on this power or side key but it didn't turn on, now what you can do is just keep it plugged in. Before that, make sure the charging tools you're using with it is functional. Similarly, if a wireless charger is available to you, you can use it as well. Now while you do so, you can check if you feel a vibration or haptics when it's connected to a charger. Or you can check if the wireless charger is detecting your device. If it does, just charge it for at least half an hour. Now after that, try to turn on your S25. And if it's not turning on, first just go ahead and keep it on charge with the PC or laptop, whatever you're using, for at least 5 minutes. Now if it's still not turning on, make sure it's still connected to your computer or laptop, and then press and hold the volume up and the side button together till the Samsung logo shows up. And when it does, just release the power key and hold down the volume up rocker till you end up in the recovery mode. Now just go ahead, use your power button to select Reboot System now. And if there is no hardware issue, like our device, your S25 will restart back again. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.